Welcome to another episode of the Baking Lowdown. Today we are not baking, we're making ice cream. Again from the Minimalist Baker recipe book, and this is what we're gonna do. So now we have 1.5 cups of raw cashews, and you're gonna soak these for about 4 to 6 hours. You don't want to soak them too much because they start to deteriorate. So I did about 4 hours in some cool water and just let them sit out for a while. Now you're going to take 1.5 cups of strawberries. You want to finely chop them and get your 1.5 cups. Measure them out, set them aside, and then on to the next step. Next step, you're going to do 2 tablespoons of cane sugar. Add those in there, and then we're going to start mashing away at our strawberries. Boom. Now we're going to add our extra virgin olive oil. This is just going to be 1/4 cup. You're going to pour that right in over your cashews. And then after that, you will add the rest of your ingredients, which is going to be your 1 cup of coconut milk, your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, about half of the strawberries, boom, right here, into your blender as well. And then you're going to start mixing all of that up. Once you're done blending everything up, you're going to pour it into a bowl. You can put it in the freezer for at least 4 hours, and then you'll do the rest of the steps. Now you're going to get your ice cream churner. This has been in the freezer for a few hours to chill it. Pour all your contents in it. Put it on the ice cream churner for about 30 minutes. Let it churn. When it's almost done, you're going to add the remainder of your strawberries in. And then when it's all done the next day, it should look like this. So yeah, let it defrost for about 20 minutes, thaw it out, and you should be able to scoop it up really nice. That's what this tastes like. Really good. Strong strawberry flavor. It's a little hard to get out. I should have let it thaw out a little more, but all in all, pretty good strawberry ice cream. I'm not a big strawberry ice cream person, but this is good. I lost my helper this weekend in making our recipe, but this is something he wanted to try, so we did, and here it is. Again, from the Minimalist Baker Cookbook. Check it out, get one yourself, try the recipe. It does take a while because you have to soak cashews for like 4 to 6 hours or overnight. Then after you make it, you have to like freeze it for 4 to 6 hours. While you're making it, you have to like churn it in an ice cream churner for like half an hour. So it is a bit of a process, but I will say the outcome is pretty good, and it yields a pretty decent amount of ice cream as well. So give it a shot. Till next time, have a sweet day, and don't forget to subscribe, like, ring that notification bell, and share it with a friend. Later.